Today I am reviewing the MOVA V50 Ultra Complete Robot Vacuum. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Starting with the suction power, the specification sheet lists a staggering 24,000 pascals. Now, in the world of robot vacuums, that number is almost comically high compared to models from just a few years ago. In practice, having that much raw power is less about lifting heavy objects and more about how effectively the unit pulls dust out of deep carpet fibers and tight cracks. Paired with the TroboWave DuoBrush system, this unit does a surprisingly good job of managing pet hair. If you have dogs or cats that shed year-round, the anti-tangle mechanisms are not just marketing flavor. They actually reduce the number of times you have to flip the robot over to cut out hair manually. However, like any vacuum, you should manage your expectations. It isn't going to deep clean a shag rug as well as a full-size upright vacuum, but for daily maintenance, it is far more effective than most mid-range robots. The navigation system, which they call FlexiRise, is probably the most unique physical feature of this machine. It essentially uses a retractable LiDAR sensor. When it needs to go under a low couch or a tight clearance area, the sensor housing lowers, allowing it to squeeze into spaces that would stop a traditional robot dead in its tracks. It is a clever design solution for a common problem. That said, it is an additional mechanical point of failure. In my look at how these things hold up, the more moving parts you add to a machine that operates in a dusty, high-vibration environment, the more you have to stay on top of maintenance. It is convenient, but you should expect to keep that sensor area clean to ensure the mechanism operates smoothly over time. Then there is the mopping capability. The V50 Ultra uses warm water, up to 176 degrees Fahrenheit, which is significantly hotter than the tepid water some other mops use. For dried-on spills in a kitchen, heat is your best friend. It softens the grime, making it much easier for the rotating pads to lift the mess rather than just smearing it around. The Duo solution system, which allows you to store and mix different cleaning solutions, one for general use and one for pet odor, adds a layer of convenience that is rarely seen in this category. You don't have to worry about manually diluting soap in a tank. The robot handles the ratio for you. But be warned, this relies on specific, proprietary cleaning solutions. You might feel a bit tethered to the brand's own refills, which is something to consider before you commit to the ecosystem. The obstacle avoidance system, referred to as the StepMaster, features extendable wheels that allow the unit to physically lift itself over thresholds and U-shaped furniture legs. We have all seen robot vacuums that get hung up on the edge of a rug or a transition strip between rooms. Being able to literally climb over those obstacles is a massive quality of life improvement. In practice, this works well for standard thresholds, but don't expect it to climb over a literal staircase or a heavy doorstop. It is designed for the kinds of minor height variations found in most homes. It makes the robot feel much more autonomous, but it is not a cure-all for a cluttered floor. Maintenance is always the hidden cost of these premium base stations. The self-cleaning washboard is a huge improvement over the days of hand-washing pads, but it still requires your attention. The jet spray system uses 20 nozzles to distribute water across the washboard, which keeps the base much cleaner than the old-school manual rinse and scrub designs. Even so, if you let the dirty water tank sit for 2 weeks without dumping it, you're going to smell it. The hot air drying function helps immensely with odor, but it isn't magic. You still need to perform the routine chores of emptying the waste tank and cleaning the filter every so often to keep the system running effectively. One point of potential disappointment for some buyers is the app-based interaction. While the mapping is fast and generally accurate, the interface can get a bit bogged down with features. You have pet finding modes, automated vlog generation, and various granular controls that frankly feel like they are there because they can be, not necessarily because they improve the cleaning. If you just want a robot that cleans your floors, you might find the software experience a little crowded. That said, if you like having total control over where and how the robot cleans, the app is powerful and allows for very specific zone cleaning. When considering if this is the right machine for you, think about your floor plan. If you have a single-level home with a mix of hard floors and low-pile carpet, this thing is going to perform beautifully. If you have a massive, complex multi-level house with high-pile rugs and very narrow hallways, you will likely hit the limits of what even the best robot vacuum can handle. The V50 Ultra is clearly aimed at the premium segment of the market, and you are paying for that premium in both the purchase price and the complexity of the machine. If you're a pet owner, the combination of the 24,000 pascal suction and the dedicated odor-eliminating solution is a strong argument for this unit. Many robot vacuums just move dust around, but this one is explicitly designed to handle the messier reality of living with animals. That focus makes it stand out from the generic, all-in-one cleaners that try to appeal to everyone but don't specialize in anything. One thing you should be aware of is the physical size of the base station. It is a substantial piece of equipment. It houses the clean water, dirty water, and dust emptying systems, so it requires a dedicated spot in your home that has enough clearance for the robot to dock. It is not something you can easily hide in a tiny corner. You need to make sure you have the floor space to accommodate it comfortably. Overall, The MOVA V50 Ultra Complete is a high-performance machine that solves many of the most persistent frustrations of robot vacuuming, like getting stuck on thresholds or leaving hair behind in carpets. It is not perfect, and it requires some periodic maintenance to keep the base station and brushes in top shape. However, if you are looking for a machine that effectively bridges the gap between a vacuum and a dedicated floor scrubber while offering enough suction to actually handle pet hair, it makes a compelling case. It is for the person who is tired of babysitting their robot and wants a system that can reliably handle the day-to-day work of keeping a home floor clean. If you are willing to manage the maintenance of the station and invest in the proprietary cleaning solutions, it is a machine that will save you a lot of time every single week. Just make sure you have the physical space for the dock and the patience to learn the app, and you will likely be very happy with the results it delivers. It is a serious tool for a serious problem, and it tackles that problem with a level of mechanical sophistication that is genuinely impressive.